Okay, we now take a start. My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's start. What is your favorite type of natural environment?
Well, I think the clear environment is my most favorite because in clear environment, by this I mean when there is not raining outside and the weather is like more, not as such gloomy, but the clear weather. So in this time, I enjoy a lot.
Okay, what is the air quality like where you live?
Well, to answer your question, I live in busiest part of the city. It's actually in the center. So there are mostly the heavy vehicles that carry loads from here and there, and they spread a lot of pollution. To answer your question, the air quality is not good in my city.
Do you recycle?
I am quite aware of recycling, but in my own experience, I have never recycled anything.
Why not?
Actually, because I don't prefer to do such things because I am not in such situations to do
Okay.
recycling.
What other ways can individuals help to protect the environment?
I think there are a variety of the ways by which individual can protect the environment. There are variety of the reasons. First of all, I think they should prefer recycling their products. This will improve not only the quality of the air but also the sanitation system. It will not cause the blockage. Secondly, I think it will improve the other quality.
All right, thank you. We now move on to IELTS
Okay.
speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an environmental problem in your country.
Okay,
You
sir.
have 1 minute to go through the topic and write down some notes. All right, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Actually, my topic is describe an environmental problem in your country. Here, I would like to talk about the environmental problem. One of it is a seasonal issue like pollen. In my country, mostly in after the spring season, there is also the quite spread of the pollen everywhere, and it caused the massive issues regarding different people. Mostly, it creates the allergic reactions, which leads to asthmatic issues, also and also some severe medical conditions. So. The not only these problems but also I think the geriatric patients, they suffer a lot with this issue, and this has not only affected our city but on the whole as a nation we have suffered this problem, because the you can say that the mortality rate has been increased after this pollen issue. So I think there are variety of the ways by which we can prevent such situations and to save people from keeping their life away from the danger. Firstly, the government should plan the funding system, and they should provide enough support to the local people so they can create such strategies to stay away from such pollenic reactions
Okay,
or the
thank you.
allergic
We
reactions.
now move on to speaking part 3.
Okay, sir.
How is your country affected by water pollution?
Well, I think my country has suffered a lot from this issue, and it's a very intense issue because because of the poor drainage system, as well as the flooding. And now you can you I think you will be aware of the dengue virus as well. So the water pollution give rises to variety of the medical conditions like jaundice, as well as the diarrhea, and now the dengue is
Okay,
on the
thank you.
top of the
What
list.
are some of the causes of water pollution?
I think there are variety of the reasons. First of all, the poor sanitation system. Secondly, people are not aware of disposing their waste properly in the dustbins. They mostly throw it on the roads. So then third is the proper coverage of the medical waste as well, because it gives rises to a lot of the viruses, germs, which pollute the environment, and not only this but
All
also
right.
the
Do you think
public.
that everyone in the world will have access to clean water in the future?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Do you think that everyone in the world will have access to clean water in the future?
Well, it can be estimated because we are living in a cutting edge technology, and this era is highly technological. So I think people are now as such aware of the rising diseases, so they will be able to clear the water in
All
the future
right. Thank
by
you very
using
much. That's the
technical
end of your
techniques.
speaking test. Overall, your speaking is quite good, but sometimes there are few mistakes, and these mistakes are related to subject-verb agreement.
Okay.
And you don't. It's not that you don't know, but these mistakes are careless. Like at one point you said it cause, but then the next sentence you said it helps. It means you have this idea.
Yes.
So these mistakes are careless mistakes. And try to avoid any jargons. As
Okay.
you're a doctor, so in medicine there are certain words and examiners will not be aware of those words. So try to use everyday English
Okay,
instead
sir.
of using any jargons. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 3.5 band. 7.
Thank you.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you.